Okay, so I've got the front end all cut apart. Ready to put the new piece in. I've already put it in there, made sure it fits, everything looks good, everything's nice and square. These seams here, I went ahead and coated them with weld-through primer. I'll do the same thing on the opposite side, where the other panel will mate up against it. Interestingly enough, on this side here, there was actually only one spot weld here holding it on this flange. Both of the spot welds here, they were not connected. And then all three on the front here, on this side and this side, were not connected. There was imprints from them, but they didn't actually take when they went ahead and spot welded it. So those will be actually welded this time, so that'll be an improvement over what it was before. And then I found one little crack right here that I'll have to go ahead and pin drill and weld up prior to putting it back together. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the process on how to do this. I'll post another video once I get the core support in there and the partial process of it being welded in. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe.